Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT SuperCrew 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9870P. Only 21,000 miles, and this F-150 comes to us with a clean auto check history report, blue flame metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms. Flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Soft tonneau cover. FX4 off-road suspension package. Backup camera. Trailering package. The camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This XLT has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges, again only 21,000 miles. A driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, integrated trailer brake control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that's of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this F-150 has a 5-liter V8, 385 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 70% of tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.